Welcome back to Tronify Tech. Today, we're unlocking 30 hidden car gadgets on Amazon that'll take your driving game from basic to brilliant. Smarter tools, sleeker upgrades, and jaw-dropping tech that'll make every ride feel like a luxury drive. If you love discovering the coolest gear before anyone else, hit that subscribe button, because what's coming next might just blow your mind. DENVIX Tire Inflator. Flat tire? Don't even sweat it. This DENVIX mini tire inflator looks small enough to fit in your glove box, but it packs a punch. We're talking 150 psi of power that fills a flat tire in just a few minutes. It's completely cordless with a 6,000 mAh battery, so no messy cables, no stress. Just set your target pressure, tap start, and it will automatically shut off once done. Plus, the built-in LED light doubles as a flashlight for late-night emergencies. Whether it's your car, bike, or basketball, this tiny lifesaver is your new roadside best friend. Plug it in, power it up, and you're back on the road before your playlist hits the next song. REDTIGER Dash Cam. Ever wish you could replay every moment on the road? The REDTIGER Dash Cam does exactly that in crisp 4K. It records front and rear views simultaneously, capturing license plates, road signs, and details your eyes might miss. With built-in GPS, it tracks your route, speed, and location, perfect for daily commutes or long trips. And thanks to loop recording and a G sensor, it auto-saves important clips when accidents happen, no storage panic. Even better, its Wi-Fi connection lets you view footage right on your phone. Because in today's world, having proof is power, and this cam has your back every mile. Car cleaning gel. You ever look at your dashboard vents and wonder how all that dust even gets in there? Meet the car cleaning gel, your new secret weapon for those impossible to reach spots. Just press it onto any surface vents, cup holders, buttons, and watch it lift dust, crumbs, and hair like magic. No residue, no scratches, and the best part? You can reuse it over and over until it changes color. It's oddly satisfying too, like peeling off a fresh phone screen protector every time you clean. One press and your interior goes from grimy to showroom-level clean. Fanttik Slim We 8 Apex Car Vacuum. Forget bulky vacuums with tangled cords. The Fanttik Slim We 8 Apex is a powerhouse that fits right in your hand. With up to 30,000 pascals of suction, it devours dust, pet hair, and crumbs in seconds even between seats. It's cordless, ultra-light, and recharges fast through USB-C, built-in LED light. Yup, so you can see every corner of your car like a pro detailer. And with multiple nozzle attachments, it handles everything from air vents to floor mats with ease. Quick clean before a date or a road trip? Plug it in, power up, and boom, spotless. PIMCAR Center Console Hidden Organizer. Think your car's center console is just for loose change and receipts? Think again. The PIMCAR Hidden Organizer transforms that space into a secret storage zone. Slide it under your armrest and you've got a stealth compartment for wallets, sunglasses, or anything you want out of sight. Precision fit design keeps it from rattling, and it blends perfectly with your car's interior. Out of view, but always within reach, perfect for anyone who loves a clean, organized cockpit. It's like having a mini safe built right into your ride. Car seat back. Hidden hooks. Got shopping bags rolling around or your backpack always ending up on the floor? These car seat back hidden hooks are the tiny heroes you didn't know you needed. They snap right under your headrest and rotate out only when you need them, perfect for holding bags, umbrellas, or even headphones. Built with heavy-duty ABS plastic, each hook handles up to 40 pounds. And the best part? When not in use, they fold away seamlessly so your car stays clean and clutter-free. BougeRV Car Fridge. Long drives just got a major upgrade. The BougeRV portable car fridge keeps your snacks and drinks perfectly chilled even when you're miles from home. With a high-efficiency compressor, it cools from 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 32 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes. No ice, no mess, just plug it into your 12-volt socket or a portable power station, and you're set. Perfect for road trips, camping, or tailgating, and it's whisper quiet too. Forget gas station stops. With this fridge, your car becomes a moving minibar. Interior car LED strip lights. Want to turn your ride into a vibe? These interior LED strip lights instantly transform your car's mood. They stick under seats or along the dash and sync with your music for dynamic, color-changing effects. Control everything from your phone using Bluetooth brightness, colors, even rhythm modes. They're flexible, easy to install, and totally waterproof. Whether you want chill blue tones or party mode reds, these lights make every night drive feel cinematic. SURDOCA Car Organizer. If your back seat looks like a tornado hit it, this one's for you. The SURDOCA Car Organizer hangs neatly on your seat back and turns chaos into order. It's built from high-density Oxford fabric with strong stitching and non-slip straps that keep it steady even on bumpy roads. You get multiple compartments for tablets, bottles, snacks, even a spot for tissues and cables. It installs in seconds, and suddenly, your car feels like a mobile office or mini lounge. No more digging for stuff mid-drive, everything's right where you need it. TOOENJOY Universal Fit Car Doorstep. Struggling to reach your roof rack or clean your car's top? Meet the TOOENJOY Doorstep. This foldable step hooks onto your car's door latch and gives you an instant lift to load cargo or mount your kayak. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum, it supports up to 400 pounds without budging. Non-slip grip, easy fold-away design, and it even doubles as a window breaker in emergencies. Compact, sturdy, and genius. Once you have it, you'll wonder how you manage without it. Retractable Car Sunshade. Sick of wrestling with those giant fold-out sunshades? This automatic retractable sunshade fixes that in one smooth pull. It attaches right to your windshield and rolls open or closed in seconds, blocking 99% of UV rays. The aluminum film reflects heat, keeping your car cool even under scorching sun. Adjustable sizing means it fits almost any vehicle, and it looks way cleaner than those floppy old shields. Cool car, zero hassle, that's a win. ESR, MagSafe Car Mount Charger. Ever slam your brakes and watch your phone take flight? The ESR, MagSafe Car Mount Charger fixes that and does it in style. It uses Cryo Boost Tech and N52 magnets to lock your phone in tight, even on rough roads, while keeping it cool for true fast charging. Stick it on your dashboard or air vent, and your iPhone snaps perfectly into place. You get a strong, adjustable arm and 15-watt wireless charging that starts the second you drop your phone on. No cables, no slipping, no overheating, just seamless charging on every ride. SodaRide Car Escape Tool Keychain. This tiny gadget could literally save your life. The SodaRide Escape Tool is a 3-in-1 emergency keychain, a seatbelt cutter, window breaker, and mini flashlight all in one. Made from high-impact alloy, it shatters glass instantly and cuts jammed seatbelts in one pull. It's USB, rechargeable, waterproof, and small enough to clip to your keys or visor. When seconds count, this little lifesaver gets you out fast. No panic, no delay. Compact, tough, always ready. Car cup holder. Tray, eating or working in your car just got an upgrade. The car cup holder tray expands your cup holder into a full mini table. Perfect for snacks, drinks, or even your laptop during road breaks. It rotates 360-degree, adjusts to any height, and holds steady even while driving. Made from durable ABS, plastic with rubber grip padding, it keeps everything stable and spill-free. Long road trip or lunch on the go, this gadget makes your car feel like a travel lounge. LandAirSea 54 GPS tracker. Worried about your car's safety or want to keep tabs on a loved one's drive? The LandAirSea 54 GPS tracker gives you real-time tracking anywhere in the world, no Wi-Fi needed. It's magnetic, waterproof, and ridiculously easy to hide under your car or inside the cabin. Using its companion app, you can check live location, travel history, and even set geofence alerts so you'll know the moment your car moves. Battery life? Up to 2 weeks on a single charge. Whether you're a parent, business owner, or just security savvy, this little tracker keeps you in control. Tymate TM2RW Tire Pressure Monitoring System. Don't guess, know your tire pressure in real time. The Tymate TM2 Tire Pressure Monitoring System keeps all your tires under watch 24/7. It uses high-precision sensors that instantly alert you to leaks, pressure drops, or overheating long before things go wrong. The display mounts easily on your dash, powered by solar or USB, and it supports up to 22 tires, perfect for trucks, RWS, or trailers. Safer, smoother, and smarter driving starts here. No more manual checks, this gadget does the thinking for you. Nulaxy car Bluetooth FM transmitter. Still driving an older car without Bluetooth? The Nulaxy FM transmitter turns any ride into a modern infotainment system. Plug it into your cigarette lighter, pair your phone, and instantly stream music, take calls, or use GPS directions all wirelessly. The LCD screen shows song info and battery voltage, while the noise cancellation tech keeps your calls crystal clear. And yes, it even doubles as a fast charger with dual USB ports. It's the perfect budget upgrade that gives your old car brand new smarts. Multi-charging cable, 3 amps. Tired of carrying 5 different cables just to charge your devices? This 3-in-1 multi-charging cable solves that with one sleek, retractable design. It's got USB-C Lightning and micro USB heads, all braided for durability and built to fast charge up to 3 amps. Pull it out to the length you need and it locks in place, no tangles, no mess. Perfect for family trips, shared cars, or anyone juggling multiple gadgets. Plug it in once, charge everything at once, and stay fully powered on every drive. USB COBD2 Diagnostic Scanner Tool. Ever seen that check engine light pop up and had no clue what it meant? The USB COBD2 Diagnostic Scanner is like having your own mechanic in your glove box. Plug it into your car's OBD second port, connect it to your phone via Bluetooth, and it instantly scans your system for engine codes, performance data, and even fuel efficiency stats. It's compatible with most cars and gives you detailed reports so you can fix small issues before they turn into expensive repairs. Fast, accurate, and beginner-friendly, this tiny tool puts professional diagnostics right at your fingertips. And that's a wrap on today's Tronify Tech lineup, 20 hidden car gadgets that make driving smarter, safer, and a whole lot cooler. From lifesavers to luxury upgrades, every one of these finds proves you don't need a new car to feel like you're driving one from the future. Which gadget was your favorite? Drop it in the comments, I read every one of them. And if you discovered something new today, hit like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon so you never miss the next round of Amazon's smartest car tech. Until next time, this is Tronify Tech driving innovation straight to your screen. Stay safe, stay smart, and keep your ride techified.